This is an honor song that I learned last year from William Jerome, and I thought maybe you might like to learn it as well. You might already know it. I think the best way for me to teach a song is for me to sing one line and then leave space for you to repeat after me. So I'm going to do that. And then after we've done that, we're going to sing one all together. You ready to try? I go first. You way higher, you way higher. Now your turn. You way higher. Good. Then again. You way higher, you way higher. Way higher, you way higher. Good. Way higher, yo, way higher, hey yo. Your turn. Way higher, yo, way higher, hey yo. You way higher. Way higher. Way higher, yo, way. How did it go? Okay, let's sing it all together. Ready? You way higher, you way higher, you way higher, you way higher, way higher, yo, way higher, hey yo, yo way higher, way higher, way higher, yo way. Isn't that a beautiful song? Ever since William Jerome taught it to me, I can't stop thinking about it. Thanks for sharing it with me.